conventions of a number of the states having at the time of their adopting Constitution expressed a desire in order to prevent the misconstruction or abuse of its powers that further declaratory and restrictive causes should be added, and the extending of the ground of public confidence in the government will be best ensured the resolved by the Senate and the House of Representatives of the United States of America in the Congress assembled 2/3 of both houses concurring that the following articles will be proposed to the legislatures of the several states as amendments to the Constitution of the United States. All or any of which these articles will be ratified by 2/3 or 2/4 of the state legislatures to be valid in all intents and purposes as part of said Constitution. Articles, in addition to the amendment to the Constitution of the United States of America proposed by Congress and ratified by the legislatures of the several states pursuit of the 5th article of the original Constitution.
The First Amendment. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peacefully to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. The Second Amendment. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. The Third Amendment. No soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in a time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. The Fourth Amendment. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation.
I'm in Belfast twice a week.
And
just let me know.
particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. The Fifth Amendment. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, where actual service in time of war or public danger, nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be held in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor to be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of the law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation.
In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. Amendment 7. In suits at common law, proven controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and in no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Amendment 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted.
I don't see
Amendment 9. The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage other retained by the people. Amendment 10. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. Belfont, stand up!
People got